Hey there, Mr. Griffin. It's great to finally meet you. I know you're glad to get your car back. Hey there. Nice to meet you too.
This is the Griffin's paperwork.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Looks like we got a great day ahead of us. We have the Ortega's vehicle that's ready for delivery. Kobe, think you can handle that?
Got it.
Jose, looks like you have the Miller's vehicle. Got it.
Hey Michael, how's it going, man? Did those parts show up for that Tesla?
Yeah, I got you. Excuse me.
This really looks great.
Thank you so much.
Body Works Plus, the Metro's premier state-of-the-art auto body repair facility.